Hello everyone, myself Dr. Pooja Bhamre from Vedikaa Academy. Welcome you all to the Physics Expert channel. Here we are solving some numericals on the physics subject. So today in this lecture I will be covering speed, distance, time relation and some numericals on speed, distance and time. So here I am making your task simpler. You have to just remember these three quantities, that is speed, distance and time, with the help of one triangle, right? So in the triangle, the upper part is your distance and like this speed into time, like this. Only this particular triangle you have to remember. Upper one is distance, then speed, and last one is the time. So how to calculate the formulas from this triangle, right? So if you want to calculate the distance, so you have to just hide that particular parameter. That is, if you hide the distance, for calculating distance you have to hide the distance parameter. What you are getting? You are getting speed into time. So directly you are getting the formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time, right? Second one, if you find out the speed, then you have to hide the speed parameter. If you hide the speed parameter, what formula you are getting? Distance upon time, right? So speed is equal to distance upon time. And the last one, if you have to calculate time parameter, so you have to hide this time parameter from the figure. So if you hide it, what formula you are getting? Distance upon speed. So what is time? Time is equal to distance upon speed. So whatever quantity that you have to calculate, you have to just hide that from the figure and you have to write down the formula for that particular speed, distance and time. So let us solve some numericals on this speed, distance, time formula. Let us start solving speed, distance, time numericals. The first one, an eagle can fly at a speed of 50 km per hour. The speed of the eagle is given to you. Calculate the time taken in hours for an eagle to fly 65 km. Now, what are the quantities which are given here? First one is the speed and second one is the distance, and time is required to calculate. So, we know that time is equal to distance upon speed, right? So, 65 km is the numerator and 50 km per hour is the denominator. So, you can easily calculate it as a 1.3 hours. Now, one thing that you have to remember here is that distance is given in kilometer. So whatever speed is given to you, it should be in kilometer per hour, or it should be in kilometer per minute, or it should be in kilometer per second, right? So if speed is given to you in miles per hour, then again you have to convert that miles into kilometer. So as both are in kilometer, then it is very easy to calculate. So what time you are getting is 1.3 hours. So 1.3 hours is nothing but 1 hour 18 minutes. So you have to convert this 0.3 hour into minutes. How will you convert it? You have to just multiply 0.3 by 60, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 hour and 18 minutes is your final answer. So I think it is clear to you. Let us move ahead to the second numerical. You have to calculate the average speed of the cycle which travels 38 miles. Now the distance is given to you in miles and in 4 hours. So time is given in 4 hours. So you have to calculate the speed. So we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So just substitute the values and calculate the time. Now what is the unit of the answer? So unit of the answer is miles per hour, because distance is given in miles and time is given in hour. So your final answer will be equal to 9.5 miles per hour. Next one, a train travels at a constant speed of 100 miles per hour. So speed is given to you 100 miles per hour for 135 minutes and time is given to you as 135 minutes. Calculate the distance covered, giving your answer in miles. Now some specifications are given to you that you have to calculate the answer, means distance in miles. Now the given quantities are speed, that is 100 miles per hour, and second one, time is given to you 135 minutes. Now as speed is given in miles per hour and time is given in minutes, the first thing that you have to do is you have to convert these minutes into hours, because speed is given per hour. So here we have to convert this 135 minutes into hours. So here is the procedure. 135 minutes is nothing but 120 plus 15. So 120 minutes is nothing but 2 hours. So instead of 2 into 60, I have directly written 2 hours and 15 minutes. Now 2 hours and 15 minutes can be converted into a complete hour, that is 2.25 hours. Okay, so these 15 minutes can be converted into hour by dividing it by 60. So 15 upon 60, which is nothing but 0.25. So overall time will be equal to 2.25 hours. Now distance is equal to speed into time. So just substituted the values of speed, that is 100, and time, which is equal to 2.25. Your final answer is equal to 225 miles, as it is required to calculate the distance in miles. The final answer is 225 miles. So in summary, we have studied how to calculate speed distance time, how to easily remember the speed distance time formula from the triangle. So it's a very simple method, and you can just solve some more numericals on these simpler physical quantities. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.